everyone and everybody. How are you guys? Every beautiful people of the world. I hope you have a nice day and a great morning, guys. Ayan, hito na naman ako, guys. Of course, to start our morning with a good smile and a sweet smile, guys. Ayan. Of course, the third one is coffee. Don't forget to drink your coffee, guys. So, shout out naman sa mga coffee lover dyan. Ayan, meron pa tayo nito, guys. Yung magkain na din kayo dyan. Mag-breakfast na din ang mga kasisilabs natin dyan, mga kalalabs. Hmm. Kain. So, I think kunti na lang kainin ko ngayon sa breakfast, guys. Yung rice. Kasi parang marami naman ako nakain, guys. Busog na, guys. Pwede na kami magkain ng rice. Ba? Hulog pa. So, I hope everyone you have a nice day. You wake up in a good morning, a good mood. We have a good weather, guys. Maganda ang panahon natin, no? So, feel fresh. O, yan, mahangin. Maganda, makalanghap din tayo ng hangin, guys, na fresh. Ayan. Kain pa. So, I hope kayo din dyan, guys, no? Nakapag-coffee na or any breakfast dyan. So, wag kalimutan, guys. Wag magpalipas ng gutom, no? So, eat on your time. Yun lang ang update natin, guys. So, always be careful and be safe, everyone. So, see you next again. Have a nice day to all of you. So, see you next again, guys. Thank you for watching. God bless. Bye.